Alright, hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have the problem from the pre-calculus textbook. It is the problem about limit of function for the x approaches to plus infinity. So the problem is evaluate limit of 1 over the square root of x power 4 plus 3 times x power 2 minus x squared, and we take the limit x approaches to plus infinity. So let's start. First of all, I have to look at the denominator, is these two terms. So if I would like to cancel out the square root, I have to take the conjugate of the denominator. It is, we just change the positive sign into, the negative sign into the positive sign. So we have the we multiply by square root of x power 4 plus 3 x power 2 here, and plus x squared. So now we have to divide it by the same thing. So we have to divide it by x power 4 plus 3x squared plus x squared, and we have the square root sign again. So now, if you look at the denominator, the multiplication between the first term and the second term, or first factor in the second factor, is called the square differ. What happened? We can cancel the square root sign of x power 4 plus 3 times x squared. So that is, we have the limit of x goes to plus infinity of the denominator is x power 4 plus 3x squared, and now we have the last term is minus x power 4. For the denominator, we have 1 times this term, it is square root of x power 4 plus 3x power 2 and plus x power 2 again. Look at the denominator. In the denominator, we can cancel out the x power 4 and x power 4. Now, in this term, we have limit of square root of x power 4 plus 3x power 2 and plus x squared divided by just 3x squared. Take the limit x approaches to plus infinity. Now, if we substitute x approaches to infinity into this x, and this x, we have the solution is infinity, and for this x, we have infinity again. So now we have the form infinity divided by infinity. This is, we can use the L'Hopital rule, but in my opinion, or in my way, I try to use algebraic manipulation to find the solution of this problem. I use the algebraic manipulation to find the solution of this function. So I have to move the denominator into the denominator here, and this means that I have 1 over 3x squared, and we have the square root of x power 4 plus 3x squared plus x squared again. And I have to take the limit of x approach to plus infinity again. Look at this. Look at the denominator. Look at the bottom factor. We can keep. We can look at the first term of the denominator. If I keep the x power 2 or x squared from the square root, it's better for us. Right? Okay, this is our target. So now we have, again, the denominator is number 1, And for denominator or the fraction of the denominator, it is 3x squared, and we have the square root of x power 4 times 1 plus 3 divided by x squared. And now this is our new way to find actually not new way, it is the easy way to find the limit without the L'Hopital rule. Yes. Take limit x approach to plus infinity. So in the first term of this one, we can look at the x power 4 under the square root. We can keep it out from the square root by using x power 2. Just x power 2 multiply the square root of 1 plus 3 over x squared. Yes, and plus x squared. And the above is just 3x squared and 1. So now we take the limit again. X approaches to plus infinity. So we can cancel out x squared from this term, and this term. Sure. Now we only have the denominator is number 1 and the fraction is 3 divided by square root 1 plus 3 over x squared plus 1. So I try to write down in a simple way. So now we have the limit 1 over 3 and over square root of 1 plus 3 divided by x squared and plus 1. I take the limit x approach to plus infinity. So now we can substitute x approach to infinity into here. Sorry. Yeah, surely. Then we have something like the limit of 1 over infinity is approaches to 0. Is that the same here? Now in this term, we take 3 over x squared approach to 0. So now we only have square root 1 and plus 1. Square root 1 and plus 1. Then we have 1 plus 1. Just have 1 plus 1. Let's talk the last solution. Okay, we have 1 over 3 divided by 1 plus 1, or 1 over 3 half. And for the last solution, we have just 2 divided by 3. Yeah, so sure we can solve this function as the limit of 1 over square root of x power 4 plus 3x squared and plus x squared, and we take the limit x goes to plus infinity. So the solution is 2 divided by 3. That's right. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next problem. Thank you.